What's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to this video. We're gonna finally break into the Goped GTR and see exactly what's wrong with the clutch. If you didn't catch the last video, the clutch sounds pretty awful. So we're gonna crack into it and see what the hell I did to it and see what I need to order, or if I need to order anything to fix it. I guess the first thing that I'm gonna do is I will pull the tank off so I can pull the fender and get an easy access to the bottom bolt. There's 4 bolts here, and once I pull all 4 of those, the motor should drop. Once you loosen up the tank, it will just fall off. I'm gonna set that under it. Not too much stress on the fuel line, so that's okay. Oh, it does. Oh. I thought it only had 1 mounting point up at the top, but it's got 3, and you can't pull the other 2 without pulling the tire. I don't think I can get this up in there and get torque on it. Well, maybe I can. Oh yeah. So I'm starting with the hardest one to get to, and by doing that, I'm hoping that there's no weight on it, so it's easy to pop, and then I can just hand unscrew it. We're gonna see. It's all an experiment. Grabbed just a normal Allen key, 5 millimeter, and well, that's the tool you need for the job, because it's making a lot better time of this. So we'll pull these 4 bolts, and then the next endeavor will start. Alrighty, well, this is it. She's opened up. Red springs, missing 1. So it looks like at the very least I'm going to be doing a spring job. Oh yeah, it's sitting back there. Closer, oh, there we go. Closer view, you can see it down there jacking up the freaking underside of the clutches. Okay, then, so this one broke off, I don't know how much, 3/4? Or I'm sorry, the other way around, up to 1/4. The other 2 pads look just fine. That one's a little jacked up. Technically I could still run on that, swap the springs out, and I can get a few more miles. Alright, so I was gonna see if I can't just go ahead and crack it loose with the tools that I have. I assume 13 millimeter maybe? Well, that's a 12. Oh, it's a 12. Okay. It's the right idea. It's just not working. Oh. Now that we got the clutch removed, as far as the clutch goes, it's just the spring and then the 1 pad that has about 1/4 of it chipped off. Okay. And then when we get in here, obviously this broke off, obviously got jammed in there, and all that good stuff. But aside from like typical dust that you would find inside of any clutch housing, I don't see a single chunk. See typical dust, but I could be mistaken. Like there's some larger flakes down in here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the springs and replace them, and we'll see what kind of luck I have with that, and I'll go ahead and order new shoes. So, pretty cool. Pretty sure it's a... Oh, that one's snug, but the last one wasn't. Oh, shoot. That's just this last one.
Video I watched.
Ha 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 ha. Boys and girls, we have 3 springs. I mean, I guess it's just a bunch of banging. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just swap the springs and then put it all back together, and then maybe go for a quick little ride while the weather's nice. There we go. Okay. And that guy, just a dab will do it. You can actually be a little more liberal than that, but that's okay. But one thing I will note, obviously I'm no professional, so don't take mechanical advice from me, but one thing I will note on this one, oh, that's a lot right there, but only use the removable type. There's permanent and removable. They changed the labels. The new removable stuff, it looks very similar to the permanent back in the day. So I actually confused myself, and I was looking for permanent for a different project and confused. I got the wrong one. Oh my god, no. There was barely any torque on that too. Oh wow. It's stripped out. Wow, that's a unique spot. It didn't snap the bolt necessarily. It stripped out right at the head. It's still sticking out of there. Why couldn't that have been the bad shoe? But anyways, the shoe's not bad. You can take a Dremel, notch that, and then use a straight blade screwdriver and just back it out. So that's no big deal whatsoever. And I can probably buy a replacement of those. Anyways, I'm setting up an order into DDM anyways. But shoot, is that rideable now? I cannot believe that happened. That is so annoying. It's always something too, but that, you know, maybe was my fault, maybe it wasn't. I don't have a clue. Funny because I started off with gloves, and then after going inside and taking them off, I forgot to replace them. Now I'm all dirty. with the Loctite on there. I think that is plenty snug. Actually, I'm gonna give it a little more torque skis. Okay, that's plenty. We'll go ahead and take a look at the clutch housing itself. Dirty hands, so I'll have some slippage. But it looks nice and smooth. Everything inside looks smooth, but it's definitely used. But no chips, no scratches, no nothing.
So I only went snug, but I did not tighten that guy. I'll do it the same here, and the same for the third. And then when I put the fourth on, I'll completely tighten that one. But that'll take a while.
I got the bottom right for you guys. I got that one on. So now I'll do the opposite, the top left. I'm just gonna snuggle, completely tighten them, not just snug them, I guess I should say. So that should be good. Then you can go to either corner. She's all snugged up. Slip that bad boy on. Make her look all official. Motor's all on. Clutch springs are replaced with the old shoes. And I think that's honestly pretty much it. I can't think of anything else right now. I'm just gonna slap that air filter back on there. And then I'll probably finish up my order on DDM Racing, and then I will go for a cruise. Alright, so we got the Go-Ped all cranked up and ready. I just started warming her up. Slightest touch of the throttle and she starts moving. And that's really nice. Wasn't like that before. So we'll cruise along for just a little bit. And then once she's totally warmed up, we'll go blast around town. It'll piss people off like I like to do. So I'm praying it doesn't rain on me. It's cooled off quite a bit. It was scorching earlier. And now it's, I don't know, it's a little chilly. I know once I start to ride around for a bit, I'll warm up just from the action. A lot better cruiser with his clutch saver springs. This freaking thing is so sweet. I am really enjoying this Go-Ped. Made in America. It's nice with these clutch springs. Oh, right as they kick out, I say this. But you can also downshift. That's so sick. Dude, I might buy a freaking 20 pack of those springs. Apparently they break. So, like, this failure that I just had, it's not uncommon. So it's kind of cool that my first time it took like an hour. And I had kind of no idea what I was getting into. Man, those crackles sound so good. Little bonus footage, there he is. Oh, there he is. Found him. You can't get away from me. So we're gonna call that a 19-mile trip on the new clutch springs. Now I'll have to get some new shoes so I can replace those broken ones. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to hit the like button if you like the video. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see some more of my adventures, my mishaps, or whatever the heck I end up filming. And we'll catch you with another one here soon.